Hello and welcome to BackToCoding. In the previous video, we saw set in Kotlin. In this video, we will see mutable set in Kotlin. Mutable set is a generic unordered collection of elements. It does not support duplicate elements. And since this interface is mutable, so we have support for both read and write operations. This is how it is declared. You can create a mutable set using the MutableSet of function. Let's see it practically. Here we just need to replace set of function with mutable set of function. And here it has printed our set of friends names. And let's see if our mutable set allows duplicate entries. Here we have repeated the element Bhavesh twice in our set. Let's run it to see if it allows duplicate entry. And as you can see here in the output, Bhavesh is not repeated even though we have added it twice. So it means it doesn't allow duplicate entries in the mutable set interface as well. We have functions in mutable set interface as well. Here is the list of some of the functions available in the mutable set interface and the ones which we are going to see it practically. Out of all these functions we have already discussed contains all, is empty and drop functions in our previous videos. So go ahead and check them out. Now let's discuss the remaining ones. Add function adds an element to our mutable set, whereas add all function adds an entire collection to another mutable set. Here the add function has successfully added Praveen and Kiran to our friends mutable set. Now let's see how add all function works. Here we have added companies names 1 set to companies names 2 set, and it has avoided duplication, since duplication is not allowed in mutable set. Remove and remove all functions, as the name suggests, are used to remove elements from the set. Remove function removes a particular element from our set, whereas removes all function removes an entire collection from our set. Let's see it practically. As you can see here, remove function has removed the element Praveen from our friends names mutable set, and remove all has removed all the elements, since companies names 1 set contains all the elements which are there in companies names 2 set. That is, all the companies like TCS, Infosys, Tata, Mahindra and Flipkart are also present in companies names 1 set. Any function returns true if the set contains at least one element in it. Empty set function returns an empty set, so we have declared an empty set here. Also, as you can see here, any function on friends names set returns true since it contains elements, whereas for empty test set it returns false. First function returns the first element from our mutable set, whereas index of function returns the index of an element from our mutable set. Let's go to our editor and see it. So here the first element returned is Bhavesh, and the index position of the element Paritosh is 2. So 2 is returned since index starts with 0. That's it for this video. Please give it a like and comment down your thoughts below. And don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.